Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia. Today I am going to make a video on the topic what is Sprint Spot, a gentle approach to locate feature apps. What is Sprint Spot? The Sprint Spot is a new mobile application. It provides all services, games, music, TV shows and videos. The content of the services Sprint Spot provides come from Amazon Prime and other courtesy partnerships. All the Android mobile will be preloaded with the app which is available in Google Play Store. The Sprint Spot provides all the benefits of all the customer needs and integrated features. Let's move into the topic. What is Sprint? It is the best services company that makes the customer connect with the many offers and integrated content. As per the record, Sprint served around 50 million customers and served the best services for engineering, developing and innovative technologies. Even the first wireless 4G became the best product in the US. This leads the no contact companies like Virgin Mobile USA, Boost Mobiles. Sprint has been named with the DJSI for last 4 years. How to use Sprint Spot? Here are some steps to follow using Sprint Spot. First, download the app in your device if you have not from the Play Store. If your device is Android, or download from the Apple Store if iOS. Second, search for the Sprint Spot application and start to continue. Third, after a successful download, opens the application list and taps the menu. Fourth, it waits up to sign up and fill all the details. Fifth, fill the details it asked regarding the Sprint and all other accounts you have. Sixth, the app is ready to sign in and you will be provided with the menu where you can select all the categories and choose it. Now moving to the next question, why to use Sprint Spot? It is good enough to discover the different categories of things and pretty much based on the straightforward for all the measures using Sprint Spot. In 2004, the Sprint Spot app came up with a wide range of specifications as MobiTV. More than 9 million downloaded Sprint Spot and gave a pretty good response and utilizes this app for entertainment. Features of Sprint Spot. Sprint Spot allows customer to get all the high quality and rich attractive content in one place. It allows users to access third-party apps and enables user to use the variety of Sprint at the same place. As with the prices, the customers demand more integrated features and came up with the best quality and service. The MobiTV became the best integrated mobile manageable television solutions in the market. Both the apps received awards for all the integrated and high quality features. One of the most is Engineering Emmy Award. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it, and don't forget to write your comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.